Problem number 21. In this 21st problem, square prism which is resting at the top of a rectangular block of 60 by 100 and a height of 20 mm. So this is the rectangular block which is having a height 20 mm. At the top 50 mm square prism is resting. So this is the rectangular block. At the top view it is looking like a square prism resting at the top and center of the rectangular block. For this you have to draw this front and top view, then you have to go for this isometric square. Now a rectangular block is having 100 by 60 and 40 by 40 square block. At the center of this square block center it is resting, and this rectangular block is having 30 mm height and this square prism is having 50 mm height. For that we have to mark a point here. Now we'll mark a point here. Then one side is 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One side is 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll got a rectangular block at the bottom side and it is having a height of 30. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 from all the corners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here I will join only visible lines, not all the lines, only which are visible to the eyes. Which are visible. Next, before drawing these other two lines, we'll draw a square block of 40 mm. So we'll take the center 1, 2, 3. We'll draw the thin line. Then from here also 100 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got the centers. From center a square is resting 40 by 40. From here I will take 20. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now 40 by 40 square block will get at this place. This should be thin. This is not required because which is not visible. Even if you want you can draw it. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 by 40 square will transfer at the bottom and it is having a height of 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll join this part with the dark lines. Because top face is always visible. Then we'll join these vertical lines. So these lines are visible. Now I will join these rectangular block lines only which are visible. So this part is not visible of the rectangle. Square prism, this inside part is not visible. This is a square prism which is resting at the center and top of the rectangular block of ISO 30, ISO 100, ISO 60 block, and it is having a ISO 50 height, ISO 40 length. Only visible lines I have drawn.